In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics of CoinGecko and how to use it for coin tracking, setting up a watch list and a portfolio, and touch on very basics of crypto research, market cap, circulating, and total market supply of coins, and volume. We will not talk about price much. If you're searching for a crypto portfolio tool, you will quickly find CoinGecko. It is one of the leaders. Why Gecko? I have no idea. Now, there are thousands of crypto coins launching every day across a growing number of blockchains, and it does get confusing fast. For beginners, I would say if a token that your friend or a friend of a friend is talking about is not listed on CoinGecko, stay clear until you know what you're doing, or at least you know all the risks involved. By the way, this is not financial advice, and if you do think it is, you should unsubscribe now. Crypto tokens either must be selected by the CoinGecko team, or more than likely the coins team or someone from the community has applied via the site and they've been approved and listed. By no means does this mean that coins listed on CoinGecko are reputable. Crypto is a minefield, so please be careful. From the dashboard, you can see total market cap of crypto, 24-hour trading volume, and the trending tokens in the last 24 hours. Also, the largest gainers. Again, in the last 24 hours, crypto is engineered to be fast-paced. But a little secret, when you slow down, the slow long-term plays normally work out better for 99% of us. So, I mostly ignore this whole top section. You can actually turn it off right here on the highlights tab. Here you have total tokens listed by market cap as the default ranking system. Personally, I have a problem with market cap, but I'll leave that for another video. As you go down the list, you'll see some familiar names followed by some less familiar names. Crypto is a fast money game. It's highlighted even further by the way that the price is displayed. You'll see 1 hour, 24 hour, and 7-day percentage changes here. I mean, the longest time horizon by default is 7 days. Crypto is not a sound short-term investment. You can customize this once you create an account, so do stick around. Now, for this video, it isn't about picking the best crypto coins to invest in. This is about how to get started with CoinGecko. So I'm going to assume a few things. 1, you don't want to lose all your money. 2, you want to take it slow and steady. And 3, that you still do want the number to go up. So I've picked 3 tokens here to get you started. You can buy all of these on Coinbase or on Binance, which are reputable crypto exchanges. And at the end, I add a little bonus, which is a seriously degenerate meme coin if you want to take a step on the wild side. First, let's start with Bitcoin, the big daddy and leading brand in crypto. Bitcoin was launched as a whole brand new technology, something that was never possible before in history. It's formed the backbone of what is now a $2.4 trillion market. You can see that right here on the top. And if the bag holders and builders of Web3 keep powering on, this could be the beginning of a brand new monetary system. For today, I want you to forget about price. It will be hard because it's right here in big and glaring numbers. And every few minutes, the color might change, either green or red, depending on the price movements. You can see the chart here right to the side. Again, this is the 24-hour, but for Bitcoin, you can zoom out. You can zoom way out. 7-day, 30-day, 90-day, 1 year, and max. For me, it's always good that I start with the max. In Bitcoin's case, it is a little mind-blowing. Most cryptos don't do this, but it goes up over time. It's also a little sad if you're anything like me and you didn't start buying early enough when you first heard about it. But the next best time is today, so just get started and buy a little bit. Dollar cost averaging or DCAing is the best way to go if you're new. There will be drops again in the future and they can be volatile. Bitcoin, as of today, accounts for 53% of the total market cap of the whole market. You'll hear people say Bitcoin dominance is up or Bitcoin dominance is down. That's in reference to this number here. And this here is the market cap. The total market cap, as calculated in a very basic way, it's the last price of a token by the amount of coins that are in supply or coins that are available on the market. Some of these are in wallets, some are locked up, and some are lost. In Bitcoin's case, maybe even 10% have been lost over time. And some are on exchanges ready to be sold at any moment. These next few numbers are important, so I want you to understand. I'm going to slow down a little bit. The total supply is the total number of coins in supply that have been created less the amount burnt. Burnt means being sent to a dead address or somehow taken out of the market. For Bitcoin, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. The max supply here is the total number of coins that have been coded into the smart contract, or the max theoretical number that could ever be created. Again, for Bitcoin, it's special. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Sometimes this number is the same, like in Bitcoin, but for other tokens, it's completely different. There's more complex mechanisms, and that's a little bit much for this video. So today, I just want you to focus on total supply. And another important one, circulating supply. This is the number of coins on the market that are tradable. Bitcoin has a proof of work mechanism for distribution and for securing the network. You might have heard of Bitcoin mining. Again, the details are a bit beyond the scope of this video, but what you can know is 6% of Bitcoin are yet to be on the market and then will be mined over the next 100+ years. The takeaway here is this. When you're looking at coins, look at the max chart first. See the ups and downs over time. Take into account how long the coin has been around for and whether it's trending up or down over time. And if there's a big difference between the total supply and the circulating supply, that might mean that a lot of tokens are yet to be in public and yet to be distributed. This distribution could suppress the price for a long, long time into the future. Just look at another popular coin. It's still number 7 on the market cap list, and you might even be impressed by the 10x growth in the last few years, but the price per token has barely moved in 5 years. And this is partly because these tokens are issued over time, every year, every month. So please take note of this ratio. Volume is another important number, especially when looking at smaller cap or new coins. Is there demand for this token? Are people trading it, and where can you buy it? If there is no volume, there is no healthy market. You can see here by the 24-hour volume whether there's a high trading volume. If this number is close to 0, there is no healthy market. For Bitcoin, there is a well and truly healthy market, and most of these top coins in the top 100 there will be. But please watch out for the smaller cap or new token. CoinGecko makes it very easy to see where all the trading action is happening. Takeaway here is when you look at tokens, especially new ones, there are people buying and selling it. If the price is high, but there's no one buying or selling, this is a bad sign. Stay clear. Now, let's build a short beginner portfolio and track some coins with CoinGecko. It's free to get started. I like to sign in with Google. I don't mind them knowing absolutely everything about me, but you do you. Go to portfolio tracking, click here. You can start your own portfolio, your own list. You got to come up with your own name. Okay, let's add Bitcoin. Also add Solana. I think that Solana is a good play. It's timely at the moment. Plus, if you want to start getting involved in Web3, it's a great place to get started as the transactions are really cheap, so you can play around online. Next, let's add Sui, a new fast blockchain. It's based on another programming language called Move. I believe there's a lot of potential here, but this is your portfolio, so add what you like. And lastly, let's pick a meme coin. I would not normally recommend this for new people, but people ask and they love them, so let's be a bit degen. I just go here to categories. Let's maybe find one on Solana memes. And let's pick one that maybe will be here in a few years. I'm not saying it will. Okay, how about Bonk and Whiff? I would say these are top tier meme coins. Let's add these both and watch how they do over the next few months. Okay, now you can easily see your list here of your preferred coins. You can add as many coins as you like. I personally use 2 lists. I use a watch list and a buy list. And when I'm watching many coins at one time, I only select the few that I buy and move them to a buy list. Then I actually will add the portfolio value. You can track your total portfolio by adding a few more details. I'll quickly show you how to do that with Bitcoin. This is actually the only crypto I'd recommend a newbie buying. So let's add it. You press the plus sign here. Again, you can buy this from any centralized exchange. There's a few in the description if you're looking for a reputable exchange. Say today we bought 0.001 of a Bitcoin or 100,000 Satoshis. Click the plus on the side and fill in the details. Actually, the price will differ from exchange to exchange, but let's just add the market price here. You can also add a note and any fees. If you are diligent about tracking your buys, this will track all of your total value of your crypto as the market moves up and down. As you learn more about crypto and Web3, you'll come across a lot more tools that are actually a lot more advanced, including automatic tracking through public blockchains. It's a truly exciting and ever-expanding space. I'm really happy for you to be involved. If you want to get more information, come and join us in the Discord. If you have suggestions about any tools that you want us to review next, come and join the community. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe below.